Man, what is the deal, y'all? Listen, we have a banger today, all right? If you were not on the live trading this morning, then you definitely missed out, all right? So for today's trading today, we're going to go over two trades, right, that I took, but you guys caught them, right? On the live trade, on the live trading session this morning, you guys caught them. So before that, right, I don't want to talk about how much money I made. I want to show you guys the proof in the pudding. So we was on a live, right? So look at this. We had this individual right here. Well, all of these people, they made 16% on Robinhood. Gigi made $60 on Robinhood. He caught the whole play. She caught Robinhood. Ramon got 25 on Robinhood. He got some gas money. We got Yusuf. He made $99. Jeffrey made 10% profit. I think he got in a little before me. I made like 12 to 13% profit. And then Phyllis made 154 on Microsoft while we were trading as well. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into the charts and I'm gonna break it down. Now let me be clear. Before we break it down, I want you guys to understand that trading is a long-term thing. You can make quick money, yes, but to be profitable long-term, you got to overcome your habits. You got to overcome your patience. You got to overcome a lot of things, right? So if you are up on the day and then you end up being down, you need to understand that that is because you and your habits, all right? So don't get mad when you lose money. You need to learn your lesson, whatever that lesson is, all right? If you find yourself losing way more money in a trade, right, then you need to learn how to use your stop loss. Okay? You have to use your stop loss. Have to. So that way if the stock goes the opposite way real fast, you will get stopped out immediately. You need to learn how to use your stop loss. All right? So, we're going to go into the charts and I'm going to show you guys exactly the trades that we made, all right? So, let's get it. All right, so y'all see my chart, right? So the first trade we took, it was Robinhood, right? So I said, hey y'all, if we were, I saw it reject off of here, boom. I was like, all right, look, if we break below here, I was like, I'm gonna look at puts, and then if we break for here, I'm for sure looking at puts, all right? And then what happened? I had got in. I saw some strong selling pressure. I had got in at the end of this candle right here. All right. So as you can see, this line right here is support. Okay. It's support. So what we're going to do is we're going to put support right here. Boom. All right. So this line is support. So I got in right before because it was already below my previous support level, right? I had a previous support level of 61.25. Right? So it was under here already. So I got in, and then we got in right here, and we rode it down all the way right here. All right, and then I exited it about right here. Right. So this was my entry. Right here. Okay. And this was my exit. Dang it. Exit. All right. It was right there. Right. It had came down, wicked up. I ended up getting out right there. If it would have kept going down, I would have stayed in. But got out about, no, it was about right here actually. But that was about 12%. Once it was all said and done, I was able to get in, I was able to get out. And that's how you see these people saying that they made, $99, 12%, 16%, right? Not the Microsoft one. I didn't call Microsoft. But all these other people, everybody else, right? They was able to get in. All right, this is how we get down. This is live trading. So, and look at Robinhood right now. It's probably going to come back down some more because now it's below this level, right? So the next play that we took was Shopify. So it came down here. So look at this. Yesterday's support on Shopify was 120, 124.21, right? The day before, it was the same. It was at 123.95. So it came on Friday, it came down here, bounced up. On yesterday, it came down here, it bounced up. So it came down to the same level and it bounced up. So it bounced up, and then I saw on the 5 minute, I saw it on like about right here. Okay. No, it was right here. I got into this candle. Let me look at the 15. Yeah. I got into this candle right here. All right. So I got into this candle right here. That was my entry. Right. And then my exit, I had got into it, got out right there because it was testing on the VWAP. It was testing on the VWAP. So I got out before it started testing because it was kind of dancing around it. And I just wanted to get out, right? So I got out right there. So on both of these trades, I made 12% and like 8%, right? On both of these trades. So I want you to understand 12 plus 8 is 18%. So I was able to make 18% on my money, right? In a span of a couple minutes. So the first maybe 30, 40 minutes of the market, we was sitting around, right? But then we ended up seeing the levels get broken, and I was able to just get in and do what I had to do. It's that simple. So sometimes when you're trading, you're waiting on levels. Everybody want to be, oh, I want to get in play, I want to get in play. No, you got to understand your levels. That's how you lose very minimal and you make more than what you lose, right? And I'm a preacher of base hits. You're going to make your money, but you also want to understand base hits. The more base hits that you make, the more money you're going to end up making over a long period of time. All right. So it's very simple. We got busy on Robinhood and Shopify today on the live chat. All right. So if you want to join the Discord, be sure to join the Discord. It's only $40 a month. Okay. And every single day we live trade, we signal our calls and all of that stuff. All right. So I thank you for your time. Always remember, get out of your head and get into this world because your head is a dangerous place to live. All right. I'm going to see you guys on the next video. Peace.